Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will click. Then this page of app info you will click on force stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.